Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video into PowerPoint. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. Go to the YouTube video you want to insert into your PowerPoint presentation. I already have my video open. Once you've found the video you want to use, click on the Share button, which you'll see below the video. From here, you'll see an option to copy the URL. If you want the video to start at a specific time, you can adjust that by clicking on the checkbox labeled Start At. For example, if you want the video to begin at 10 seconds, enter 10 into the box and then click Copy. This will copy the link to your clipboard and the video will start at the time you've selected. Now, switch back to PowerPoint. Go to the slide where you want to insert the video. On this slide, click on the Insert tab at the top left of the screen. From the options that appear, click on Video. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll need to select Online Video. You'll now see a box where you can paste the link you just copied from YouTube. Paste the URL into this box and PowerPoint will find your video. Once the video appears, click on the Insert button. The video will now appear on your slide. At this point, you can customize the video. Start by resizing it. Click and drag the corners of the video to make it larger or smaller. You can also move it to a different position on the slide by clicking and dragging the video to where you want it to be. Once everything is set up, you can preview how it works. Enter presentation mode, click on the video, and you'll see it play. Since we set the video to start at 10 seconds, it begins playing from that point. That's it. Thank you for watching.